Hello, lovebirds! Valentine's Day 2024 is just around the corner, and we know finding the perfect gift can be a challenge. But don't worry, we've got you covered. These gifts are out of this world. Let's start with personalized gifts. Nothing says, "I love you," like a gift that speaks directly to your partner's interests. A custom-made piece of jewelry or a book by their favorite author shows that you know and appreciate their unique tastes. But remember, experiences can be just as valuable as physical gifts. A surprise date to a cooking class or a hot air balloon ride can create memories that last far beyond Valentine's Day. And for those who love a personal touch, DIY gifts can be incredibly meaningful. A handmade photo album or a home-cooked meal can show your partner how much effort you're willing to put into making them happy. So there you have it, folks. A range of gifts to suit every taste and budget. Remember, the best gift is one that comes from the heart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Valentine's Day 2024.